Ever wondered why the lion, not the elephant or the gorilla, holds the title of King of the Jungle? Well, it's not just because of its regal mane or its thunderous roar. You see, the lion sits at the very top of the food chain, ruling over the vast savanna with an iron paw. With a combination of raw power, cunning strategy, and collective teamwork, this magnificent beast has solidified its position as a dominant predator. Unlike most feline species, lions operate in a highly organized group structure known as a pride. This social dynamic, rare among large cats, allows them to work together to hunt, protect their territory, and raise their young. It's a testament to their incredible adaptability and survival instincts. But it's not just their physical prowess or social structure that has earned the lion its royal moniker. It's their sheer presence, their aura of majesty and fearlessness. Indeed, the lion's imposing figure and commanding presence have earned it a well-deserved royal title. How does a day in the life of a lion look like? Well, if you're picturing a continuous roar of action, you might be surprised. The king of the jungle, as it turns out, is quite the royal lounger. Lions spend a significant portion of their day asleep, up to 20 hours in fact. That's right, the majority of a lion's life is spent snoozing under the African sun or in the cool shade. Why so much sleep, you wonder? Well, lions' bodies are built for short bursts of intense activity, rather than prolonged exertion. This sleep-heavy lifestyle allows them to conserve energy for when they truly need it, during the hunt. Now, speaking of hunting, this is where the real action happens. The lionesses, the females of the pride, are the primary hunters. Agile and stealthy, they work in teams to stalk and take down their prey. The males, while perfectly capable hunters, usually stay back to protect the pride's territory. Lions typically hunt at night, their excellent night vision giving them a distinct advantage over their prey. They're opportunistic hunters, meaning they'll take what they can get, but they do have a preference for larger ungulates, such as zebras and wildebeests. When they're not sleeping or hunting, lions are socializing. Unlike other big cats, lions are incredibly social creatures. They live in groups called prides, which can include up to 30 lions, a mix of males, females, and cubs. Within these prides, there's a lot of interaction. Lions groom each other, play together, and share their kills. It's all part of reinforcing the social bonds that make a pride so successful. So there you have it. A day in the life of a lion is a blend of long, leisurely naps, adrenaline-fueled hunts, and social bonding with their pride. It's a life that's both fierce and tender, wild and surprisingly domestic in its own way. Life for a lion, as we can see, is a blend of rest, hunt, and social bonding. What's on the menu for the king of the jungle? Let's delve into the dining habits of these magnificent beasts. Lions are carnivores with a preference for large ungulates, such as zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth are perfectly designed for tearing into the flesh of these sizable prey. But lions are not picky eaters. They are opportunistic feeders, meaning they will take what they can get when they can get it. This can range from smaller prey like hares and birds, to scavenging the kills of other predators. In times of scarcity, they've even been known to consume reptiles and insects. The variety in their diet is a testament to their adaptability. These kings and queens of the savanna have to be resourceful, changing their eating habits based on available prey. This adaptability is key to their survival. The lion's diet, varied and plentiful, is a testament to their adaptability and survival skills. Have you ever heard a lion's roar in the middle of the night? It's a sound that sends a shiver down your spine, a bone-rattling testament to the raw power of nature. This is the lion's roar, a terrifying sound that echoes across the wild, acting as a potent symbol of the lion's dominance. The lion's roar is not merely a display of strength, it has a purpose, a function in the complex tapestry of the animal kingdom. Within a pride, a lion's roar acts as a form of communication. It's a call to arms, a rallying cry that unites the pride and calls them to action. It's a warning to potential rivals, a declaration that this territory is occupied, and any trespassers will face the full might of the king of the jungle. The lion's roar is also a tool for marking territory. A single roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. an auditory boundary marking out the lion's realm. This grand announcement serves to deter potential rivals and keep the peace within the pride's domain. But the lion's roar is more than just a signal or a boundary. It's a symbol of the lion's raw power and dominance. It's a sound that resonates with our primal instincts, reminding us of our place in the natural order. A lion's roar, both daunting and awe-inspiring, is an unforgettable testament to its power. Did you know that the lion population in Africa has decreased by over 40% in the last 3 generations? The king of the jungle is facing a battle for survival. Their kingdom is shrinking, and it's not due to a lack of courage or strength, but rather a loss of their natural habitats. As human settlements expand, forests are cut down, grasslands are turned into agricultural fields, and the wilderness that once roared with the sound of lions is now silent. But habitat loss is not the only threat they face. Conflict with humans is another significant challenge. As lions lose their natural habitats, they are forced to venture into human settlements in search of food. This often leads to retaliatory killings by farmers protecting their livestock, further dwindling the lion population. And then there's trophy hunting. Despite global outrage, this practice continues in some parts of the world. Each lion killed for a trophy is one less lion contributing to the genetic diversity and overall health of the species. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are conservation efforts underway to protect and increase the lion population. These include initiatives to create and maintain protected areas where lions can live and hunt freely, away from human settlements. There are also programs aimed at mitigating human-lion conflicts, such as building better livestock enclosures to prevent lions from attacking domestic animals. And let's not forget about the fight against trophy hunting. Conservationists are lobbying for stricter laws and regulations, and working tirelessly to raise awareness about the devastating impact of this practice on the lion population. These efforts are crucial, but they need our support. The fate of the lion is not just in the hands of conservationists, but in ours as well. Every decision we make, every action we take, has the potential to impact these majestic creatures. So, let's take a stand. Let's fight for the survival of the king of the jungle, because their survival is our responsibility. Our actions today will determine the future of these magnificent creatures. So what makes the lion truly the king of the jungle? Our journey through the wild terrains of Africa has led us to appreciate the majesty of the lion. We've explored its royal lifestyle, a unique blend of power, leadership, and camaraderie. As the head of the pride, the lion sleeps, hunts, and protects its territory with a commanding presence that is unmatched in the animal kingdom. We've delved into their diet, a carnivorous feast that demonstrates their place at the top of the food chain. Their hunting strategies, whether solo or in a group, are a testament to their strength, agility, and teamwork. Then there's the lion's roar, a terrifying yet awe-inspiring sound that echoes across the savannah. It's a symbol of their authority, a warning to rivals, and a call to their pride. It's a sound that, once heard, is never forgotten. And finally, we've discussed the pressing issues of lion conservation. The fight for their survival is a fight for the balance of nature itself. Efforts to protect their habitats, combat poaching, and promote sustainable tourism are crucial in ensuring that the roar of the lion continues to reverberate through the wild. So as we pay tribute to the lion, let's remember the importance of this magnificent creature in our world. As we've seen, the lion, with its grandeur and majesty, truly deserves its royal title.